Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of the Blender tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna make a Coca-Cola bottle, and that's mostly for like the design, like the shape. So for this tutorial it's just mostly making the shape, the bottle shape. So we're gonna get a reference image. I already have one here, this Coca-Cola bottle, and then we're gonna like pull it in to Blender, and then like create it. We're gonna use a cylinder for this, so we're gonna delete this cube. So delete, go to front view, that's 1 on the number pad, or the other way you could do it with tab and drag to the front view. Then go Shift A. Sorry, let me turn on screen keys again. That keeps turning off for some reason. I don't know why. So Shift A, and add image reference, and then navigate to your from here, or there's a system section, or search for here, navigate to wherever you have a bottle and grab it. So now it's in the scene as a 3D object, as a 2D object. It's on a plane actually. So now we need to add a cylinder. So Shift A again. I keep saying Control, I don't know why. And add a mesh, then cylinder, and then you could hold Z and go to wireframe mode. This allows you to see through the mesh itself. And let's scale it down with S. Press S and pull it, and grab it in Z and move it up a bit. And one thing I need to do, and I didn't do this, I was making this tutorial before, I kind of forgot to save each time. So you could just file, save, oops, choose a location. Let's name this part 3, blend, let it be on the desktop, because I'm not gonna keep it, it's just for the tutorial, but I am gonna keep it for the following part 4 and 5. We're gonna cover materials and UV editing. So let's go ahead and grab the top of here, go to edit mode with tab. Actually, let's move it out, forgot about that. So grab on Y, that's forward and back, move it out a bit, then can go back to edit mode, face select mode 3, or up here. So you have vertex, edge, and face. Then select the top, then hit E to extrude. Then let's go back to front view so we can see what we're doing. Just drag it up again, grab on Z, and about there, or here, Then you're gonna say S to scale, bring it in a bit. There you go. Back to front. Then while it's still selected, let's go back to front view and then hit E, extrude again. Then about there, let's zoom in, extrude again. We could just extrude once, extrude here, and then while it's selected, S, scale it out. So go to the edge, come on. Oh, there. So now we have like a flat surface. See? Then we extrude there again. There's a lot of extruding. So we made it in that little top piece. Then could do inset I, and go like this about there. Yep. Then extrude. Extrude again, scale it out with S. It's the bottle cap I'm making now. It's not gonna be perfect, but extrude again, and that should be about it. It's not really 1-to-1, but it's just to get you the idea. I don't know why the bottle isn't perfect, but alright. we could continue and make it a little better. Let's extrude this a little bit and scale it in so it looks slightly round. Yeah, that should be right. Then go down here, bottom half, let's grab this face and go back to front view. Let's bring it up a bit, so grab on Z and there, then extrude there, then extrude again to about there, then scale it in with S, and then extrude, go down, and scale in S out a bit, extrude. It's pretty simple. Then scale it just a little, and let's move down. So shift and middle mouse to move pan, remember from the first tutorial. Then extrude again to about there, scale it in, extrude, scale it in. There we have a bottle. We could do this part, but I don't know if you want me to do that or not. And these bumps, you could use something called normals to do that, to make it look like it has bumps. That's like a trick with 3D. Or I could do physical bumps, but then it's gonna be a bit too complicated. And then you have the Coca-Cola sign. You could do a normal map for that too. Yeah, those are a bit out of the scope of absolute beginner tutorials, if you know what I mean. Scale here, just extruded it a bit. And oh, sorry, that was Control R to do a loop cut. Scale here again, in a little bit. Remember to save, because that's have bad luck when it comes to saving. I think there's an option to make it auto save every few minutes, but I don't want to mess with that now. And there you go, we have a bottle. And that should be the end of this tutorial. Yeah, it's like super basic, so yeah. Alright, let's see. Z solid mode, then leave edit mode with tab. You can look at it. Looks good. So in the next tutorial we're gonna cover materials, like right here over in the tab. It's the little globe looking thing. Well, it's more like a circle with little polka dots on it. This is a globe, but that's for a different tutorial. So I don't want to hit it yet, so next tutorial I'm gonna cover that. Alright guys, hit like, let me know if you want me to do something specific for you guys. Alright, see you next one.